Like, fuck what you talking about. Fuck what you talking about, bro. Yachty Simpson going crazy. Inspired by Guwap. You see the 1017 birds. Inspired by the original Guwap Bart Simpson. Shouts out my nigga John the jeweler, man. I'm going crazy. I'm going. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
What? You said what?
This what a flop look like? This what a flop look like? I'm tired of these niggas, man. They keep trying me, man.
Man, these niggas, what the? Hold on, man. Hold on, take the light off. You don't need no light for this, man.
No light, man. Don't see that, man. That motherfucker spinning, bro.
What it is?
Hey, man, that's a new AP, man. Skeleton face. Hey, what you there doing now? You watch your Lord got new watch. 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 You watch your Lord got a new watch. Got a bitch so black. You flop, Yachty. Yeah, you're a flop. I'm a flop. Well, if this is what flops look like, then I love it. If this is what flops look like. So I'm with my boy. I'm not even gonna say his name, but so he talking to a girl and she says, "Hold on, text me, I'm driving." Oh my God, you don't text when you driving. So I say that to say that he just got fucked over. Crazy, because you don't. If you're already on the phone when you're driving, obviously you'd rather be on the phone than text. Damn. You said what, Jay? You said it was you?
And no, make sure they know it's not me.
It wasn't Jay Vance. But damn.